In this video, I will show you how you can fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on any iPad. Now, if the sign out feature has been grayed out on your iPad, and if you're seeing this text which says sign out is not available due to restrictions, now to fix this issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on screen time. On this page, just tap on change screen time passcode and select turn off screen time passcode. Now just enter the passcode of your screen time. Now after you've done that, now if you go back to the sign out section, you will notice that the sign out feature is not grayed out and the text which says sign out is not available has been disappeared. But if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then under settings, just go back to screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. From here, just scroll down and tap on accounts. Now on this page, if it is on don't allow, just select allow. After that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back. And under content and privacy restrictions, just turn off content and privacy restrictions. And by doing that, you will turn off all the parental control settings on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.